Van Ladder, the one-man aerial workshop. Why should it take two people to do what one person can do with the right tools? The Chariot Bucket is the tool that gives you an extra set of hands without tying up another technician. The rolling fork system allows 130-degree rotation to square up a sign to a wall. There are lower forks, along with a coated platform for cabinet signs and larger channel letters, and upper forks for raceway signs. The Van Ladder's 400-pound bucket capacity gives a 200-pound installer an additional 200 pounds to lift a sign. That covers a large percentage of today's lightweight signs. Adjustable in every direction, the pattern arms enable a single person to easily attach a pattern to a wall and keep it level, even in the wind. And the banner spindle makes putting up banners quick and easy. These features all lead to greater efficiency, happier technicians, and more profits.
Earlier, when we didn't really have access to square up with where we had to be, that's why the swivel's so nice, because you can park off center from where you need to be, and then you can use the swivels to still get the sign straight. Even with that big sign we had on there, that had been 140 pounds, and even then you can still move it around with one arm. So it worked well, I thought. It almost saves you just so much labor, because you can do everything with one person now. You don't need another person to sit there and hold one side while you hold the other side. You can go up by yourself and then put it in and then level it, and it works well. You can do almost everything by yourself.
The whole bucket might not swivel, but I think just with the arms that swivel, that's the same difference to me. You can get in position, it doesn't matter what angle you're at, and you're able to swing the sign, even with a channel letter I had on the stand. I was able to swing that into the wall and then mount my letters.
Using the basket today probably saved me 4 hours easy. What it would normally take two guys to do, I can do it by myself in that one basket. It's definitely faster, more maneuverable, and definitely you can get it right where you want it. So your hands free, installing those big letters like that makes it really, really good.
Yeah, I think that I could do a whole raceway by myself, like 10, 15-foot raceway. I wouldn't need another set of hands or anything because of the platform that comes out. It just makes my life so much easier.
Many bucket trucks are too large to maneuver into tight spaces and require a lot of setup time, while other bucket trucks with smaller chassis don't have enough reach. Mounted on an E450 cutaway chassis, the Van Ladder is small enough to fit into a single parking stall. And with no need for outriggers, it can go places other 45-foot bucket trucks can't.
The Van Ladder makes it easy to get to. It's much more versatile than my other truck. No outriggers, pull into a single parking spot, one man.
It's not like a bigger truck where if you take it off road, you got to worry about maybe getting stuck or something. That's why it's so nice. You can literally just bring it anywhere, back in a spot. You got reach to go pretty much anywhere you need to go.
The Van Ladder can be used probably in more sites than any other truck because of its flexibility and because that reach of up to 40-45 feet really applies to more than 60-70% of our total sites.
Tired of running back and forth to your shop for parts or rummaging through clutter to find what you're looking for? With our Rockport bodies, Van Ladder offers 500 cubic feet of storage space and 3,700 pounds of usable payload, so you can bring everything you need to the job site and keep it organized for one-and-done service and installs. Not only that, but to keep your tools and inventory safe, everything locks with the press of a button.
The Van Ladder has helped me achieve any storage concerns that I had, especially when they came out with the cube truck, because it is easily capable of allowing me to keep every product that I need as far as HIDs, neons, fluorescents, all in stock, along with all the tools required to make sure that I can run a job efficiently.
It gives my tech the ability to have everything he needs to do the job one time and not have to do a return trip.
I love the new van. This van is by far the best. Just like the cargo space in it, you can literally haul everything in it. When you're done with the job, you can throw everything in it and just pack on and keep going.
You can actually go inside of it, and if you have to put some vinyl down on the space that you pulled, you got ample room inside to where you don't have the elements outside.
Signs tend to be located directly above a store's front door, and store owners don't appreciate having their customers greeted by a loud truck with smelly diesel fumes. Fortunately, the Van Ladder can operate without the vehicle running. Powered by 3 deep cycle batteries, This efficient system translates into little or no fumes, noise, or fuel consumption at the job site. The front bumper entry system allows you to drive right up to your work and get in and out fast. The van ladder is also designed for easy ground level access for loading the bucket. Inside the vehicle, the support framework has been engineered to maximize the available cargo area, and the van ladder's sturdy, lightweight aluminum construction also maximizes the truck's available payload. A standard feature on every van ladder is 360 degrees continuous rotation, eliminating frustrating stop points common on other lifts. All three directional functions can be operated simultaneously without a reduction in speed or power, and a corded remote can be used to operate the lift from the ground. The van ladder's 45-foot working height is perfect for parking lot lighting. Most other bucket trucks achieve their maximum working height at the center of the vehicle, resulting in a loss of usable height. Not so with van ladder. At its highest point, the operator will still be able to reach over obstacles. The side reach of the van ladder is also generous. When parked in a convenient forward position, the operator is capable of reaching across common storefront signage without the need to reposition the vehicle. The van ladder is designed to be field serviceable, and tech support and troubleshooting from trained factory reps comes free for the life of the lift. In most cases, problems can be diagnosed over the phone, and when parts are required, they can be overnighted to your business, and in most cases, easily installed by your technician. For more complicated repairs or inspections, Van Ladder partners with a national network of reputable independent service centers.
9 times out of 10, it's the technician that's on the job site that has an issue. As his aerial equipment is up in the air, and he may just need help figuing out which relay it is that's gone down and swapping that out real quick. I mean, it's a $10 part. Usually we carry a few relays with us just for good measure, and you've got 10-15 minutes of downtime, and that's it. You're back troubleshooting or doing your work, rather than, oh, the lift is down. Now you've got to have a mobile service man come out that has hydraulics expertise and whatnot. And a huge repair bill that comes with that.
But support with Van Ladder has been always #1 with us. I tell my guys to get on the phone with them and troubleshoot with Van Ladder and see if you can fix it yourself before you're down. And 9 out of 10, we fixed it on site, and the guy was able to keep going.
Well, the past 18 years I've bought, I don't even know how many, 6 or more probably, Van Ladders, and the service is exceptional. It's awesome. Never at any time have I ever felt like I was being taken advantage of or being sold something I didn't need. They really operate with the utmost integrity.